Nailakolako ni Masi, the movement of Masi. Beaten and stripped from pepper mulberry stems by Melanesian teeth, pounded by Ikani Masi, Masia, Tukia, rubbed and hammered by feminine hands, worn by masculine men representing evolution from an 8-point star to diamonds reminiscent of the northern Lauan style of Masi that bleeds into southern Dakondrove. These were prominent styles before Masi Mbolombola became popular. Na Masi kesa loloa watakina ka ndamundamu, black and red stenciling, beautiful in all its thickness, either known as Isala or Iwambale, used at ceremonial occasions that celebrates and identifies rank of authority and title dependent on the wearer and how much Masi is adorned upon he or she. It is the movement of intricate kaiviti motifs, nailakolako, flowing fluidly on Masi bark cloth, bold, brown and black stencils, scalloped and fringed edges, geometric designs in concentric strips, white background, light spots, the black dots that connects the vu to the va, to sharp shark's teeth, from small teardrops, cannibal forks of equal height, length and size, all lined up like soldiers in a row on a field of white bark cloth as Tongans row their dhamakaus through Yasa Yasa Moala and Matuku Island. Taunamu, fine stenciled Kesa Kesa Nandran Ngele, links bloodlines through migration, inked from bloody earth on white tapa cloth. Kaiviti Masi Tutuki connects to Kaitonga Tapu. Masi, turban on chiefly head, Tavala around the waist, fashioned by Lapita people. 4 spiritually traditional masterpieces sit on a tabletop, all Lauan Masi, surrounded, examined and researched by creative minds, handled by gloved hands with certain uncertainty. Masi Vula Vula, with its ancient prints on Fiji Times, the first form of newspaper to be published in the Pacific, mapping ancestors' journeys long gone, spread out across archipelagos, bridging the gap through migration, through movement, throughout Oceania. All aboard the Wanga, the mighty Ndrua, movement across space and time, modern-day navigators riding Tangaloa's currents, surfing Pacific waves, strengthens the spines and the arms of warriors. Nautonialo flows on the Bachini Way like Kesa designs weaving Pacific motifs into double-hulled canoes as warriors join in unity. Canoe builders, weavers, and Masi makers become family. Kesa Kesa on Masi Vula Vula travels the Pacific seas, from village to village, island to island, from the islets of the Lauan group near Tonga and Revere, creatively crafting and exchanging techniques and styles mastered by Vatulele Islanders, world-renowned for their Masi making prowess. Centuries ago, Navasuni Kandavu, the women of Kandavu took the practice and process of Masi making into Vatulele through marriage. Masi Kuvui can be found right up in Dolo, the highlands of Western Vitilevu, heavily patterned in Kesa designs on smoked bark cloth, continues to be preserved, hidden in the depths of museums and bure kalos. The iron wood of the Ikani Masi can be heard beating mulberry stems through coconut trees to the rhythm of meke by Vo dancers, marking a new era from Melanesian patterns to Micronesian hands to Polynesian migration. The Masi continues to be beaten, stretched and inked on kupesi boards. Its journey remains endless. Nailakolako ni Masi, the movement of Masi.